first. Yes. फैन का साउंड आता है। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम राम Hare Krishna. Now you can hear me. Please check. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. First shlok. First. Asliya va pada. Asalisya va pada. So we have discussed about the first shloka of Shiv Bhajan Rahasya.
भगवान के अनेकों लीलाओं की कथा स्मरण करते हुए और नाम संकीर्तन आदि के द्वारा धीरे धीरे
थोड़ा फैन this side, that side, not from me side, for my Madhuri. Yes. Now check, maybe there is no wind sound. Please check. Hare Krishna. Is there any wind sound? No. So Bhagwan Naam, Roop and Gun Leela is transcendental. So how the transcendental thing can be manifested in the material things like our material tongues? So that's why here it is saying Aprakritvat. Aprakritvat. Tadatma. Yes. So after chanting the holy name and again, so what happened? This tongue will be Tadatma. Not opening? Huh? What happened? Just like if you take a iron rod and you put that into the fire, So all kinds of fires, power, burning power, it's transferred into that iron rod. In the same way,
भगवत भगवान के नाम रूप गुण लीला
Bhagwan
तो है,
Naam Roop Gun Leela is transcendental. There is no doubt in it. But still, if somebody chants the holy name again and again, again and again, again and again, so by the mercy of the Bhagwan,
इंद्रिया क्या होगा?
all our senses will become Tadatma, like oneness towards transcendental. Because
वो हमेशा क्या होगा? संचारी हो जाएगा।
so Bhagwan's all the qualities of the Bhagwan will be reflected in our senses.
और उससे क्या होता है?
And what happened then?
इंद्रिया आदि उस समय सदात्मक
Then all kinds of our senses will get reflected, and then spontaneously we will be able to chant the holy name, transcendental holy name. That's why it is saying Shri Krishna Namadi na bhavet grahya sevan mukhi jiv yado.
इंद्रियां सेवन मुक्त इंद्रिय आदि के द्वारा सब वो संस्कृत इंद्रिय आदि जैसे आँख है, कान है, नाक है,
So by that seven mukh indriyas, tendency of senses, so all kinds of our tongue, eyes, ear will be, so it will become oneness towards the potency of the Lord. So Bhagwan Shakti
में आकर के सदात्मक
will comes to our senses and will get oneness. What is the power of fire?
दही का शक्ति है।
To burn.
वो आग की जो दही का शक्ति
It's okay. अरे नहीं नहीं ठीक.
वो लोहे में प्रवेश
अरे बाबा. Yes.
और उस समय लोहा क्या होता है? अग्निवत हो जाता है।
Because what happens when we put iron rod towards, no, I don't need this. Oh, yes, yes. Sound, yes.
लोहा क्या होता है? अग्निवत होता है। और उस समय जो
So when we put the iron rod into the fire, so that rod becomes so much red, and when you put that rod to something, so that things will be burned. In the same way, the potency of that fire transfer into the iron rod. In the same way, when we chant the holy name, so all the transcendental power of Bhagwan will comes to our senses. So that will get oneness.
इसलिए यह वर्णन कहा है।
That's why here it is said.
लीला कथम को स्मरण करने वाले वैष्णव भी भगवान के भांति
So a devotee who remembered this pastime is transcendental being filled with eternity, knowledge and bliss, just like the Supreme Lord.
का शरीर
A Vaishnava's body is non-different from Shri Krishna's body. In this regards, in Srimad Bhagavatam, Shri Krishna says to Uddhav, Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, 29 number chapter, 34, 11th,
29 अध्याय में
34 number shloka.
मत्तो जगा सप्त समस्त कर्माणि वेदिक आस
So this is the text number 2 of Bhajan Rahasya, and the Srimad Bhagavatam 11th number canto, 29th number chapter and 34 number shloka. When a person abandons all fruitive activities and fully surrenders himself to me, he becomes a recipient of special prema. This is a result of my merciful treatment of him. I release him from old age and grant him entrance into my eternal pastimes, where he serves me eternally. थोड़ा सा इधर होकर थोड़ा सा This is very beautiful shloka. So in this world, Jeev, according to their prarabdha, according to their past lives activities, he is suffering from down planets and upper planets. So that's why they are getting the births in different kinds of yonis. So in this way, wandering here and there, after so long,
कर देते
when they abandons all kinds of their activity,
हैं। इसमें मनुष्य समस्त कर्मों का त्याग करके फिर क्या करते हैं ना, मुझे ही भगवान में
शरणागत हो जाओ,
अपने को क्या करते हैं
समर्पित.
आत्मसमर्पण।
When the soul surrender himself toward the feet of Bhagwan,
उस समय वो मेरे विशेष उपचार स्वरूप की बात करते हैं।
so at that time, this is a result of my merciful treatment of him. I release.
उसके हृदय में और मन में जितने प्रकार के अनर्थ आदि
So whatever kinds of unearth he has in their hearts,
उपचार करते हैं।
I always treat that, just like a doctor treat the disease. In the same way, Bhagwan is saying that it is my responsibility that I will treat the anartha of the jivas.
फिर ये तो भगवान का है।
Bhagwan is saying in this way,
मैं उनके प्रेम का पात्र बना देता हूँ।
and I make them the part of love.
खाने के लिए क्या चाहिए?
Whatever you need for eating, you need a pot.
तो भगवान प्रेम भी देंगे और
So Bhagwan will give the prey, and he will give the recipient of love, recipient of special prey.
मैं उसको क्या
And
अवस्था से
Bhagwan is saying himself that I will release him from old age and grant him entrance into my eternal pastime.
क्योंकि संसार के जो जीव या जीव
Because the worldly jeev,
जानते हो सेपरेट अवस्था
there are 6 kinds of stages of what the jeev is. Janma,
वस्ती जाते
asti jayate, vardate, apavartate, vinashyati.
स्थिति होता है
First we get the birth in the mother's womb, so sthiti, and vardate we grow little bit, vardati grow,
फिर धीरे धीरे शरीर बढ़ते बढ़ते ऐसे स्थान हो जाता है फिर
sthir.
एक स्थान पड़ जाता है फिर वो बढ़ता है
So there is a stage come where this body no grow up. Vardate,
16 से 18 साल तक बढ़ेगा
so a child always grow from 6 till 18 to 16 year or 20 years, not more than that.
और बढ़ेगा
Then he will not grow up.
18 साल के बाद वो
After 18 years, the child never grows. Means his height. He can becomes fat and thin, but his height cannot be increased.
और 4 साल बढ़ गए
So there is a boy who is just 16 years old here, and he can be, increase after only 2 years
अर्थात
more.
फिर क्या होता है उसके वृद्धावस्था आ जाता है
So he will get the old age.
शरीर क्षीण हो जाता है फिर क्या
His body becomes so well. So the destinations comes, means deteriorated conditions come. He will get old age, and many disease comes to him. So body becomes deteriorated.
भगवान से कहे
So Bhagwan is saying in this way,
मैं कि इस जन्म में सत्ता से मैं क्या
I will release him from birth and death's
अमृत का स्वरूप
going and coming,
लीला में प्रवेश करा
and I will give him opportunity to entrance in my Leela.
मेरा लीला में जीवन शुरू
So whatever I have the beautiful my Swarup, I show him in my Leela.
बताएंगे या सर्वोच्च पद में प्राप्त करा देता हूँ
So I will give him the topmost designation.
मेरी भावकर में तो
Even I can provide him the Manjari Bhav also.
पोटेंशियल है
So he has this kinds of potency.
तो उनको क्या कर देता हूँ मैं
Then I will give him the Manjari Bhav also.
अमृत तत्व और फिर
And then
उसी प्रकार सेवा उपयोगी देहों का अस्पताल लेते हैं
the jeev gets the body like who can serve the Bhagwan.
जल नदी के तरह जल
So by the mic body, we always do the mic services. Because we have this mic body, we are serving the Maya. Because why we are serving the Maya? Because we have mic body. But by the transcendental body, we will serve transcendental thing like Bhagwan. So that's why when Jeev goes to that word, so Bhagwan always provide him the transcendental body, so that he can serve him transcendentally. So according to their service, Bhagwan gives him that body, transcendental. So Sakhya Datsya and Vatsalya, they will get the male body. So except Mother Yashoda's feeling, all will get the Purush body, means male's body. And in Madhurya Seva, so Jeev will got the Gopi body. Ladies, your female body. Resume.
शरीर बिना देवता के जैसे हम सेवा नहीं करते, अर्थात देवता की भांति सद्गुण नहीं होने पर हम देवता की सेवा नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Like if don't we have qualities like a devta, so we cannot serve devta. If you are going to serve, if you are going to temple, so your heart will be clean. You must have these kinds of qualities, such as Shaucha, Daya, Pavitra. If you have these kinds of heart, then you can serve the devta in the temple. So drinking alcohol and in the impious body, you are going to temple, so you cannot serve devta. That's why before entering to the temple, your body must be clean. You must have the pious heart for serving the devtas. In the same way, if you want to serve the transcendental Bhagwan, so you must have the transcendental body. You must have the transcendental senses. That's why Bhagwan always provide them the transcendental body. Sarishikesho Sarva Bhaktiruchyate. Aprakratik Indriya. So for serving the transcendental Bhagwan, you need the transcendental senses. In the same way, for serving the Radha and other gopis, you must need the gopi body. Without the gopi body, you cannot serve Srimati Radhika. So by the male body, you cannot serve Radhaji. Subal and Priyanam Sakha, they are serving Srimati Radhaji little bit far. We have heard the story of them because there are many beautiful pastimes there. You know the Subal Milan, the meeting of Subal? Have you heard? Once, Subal was so much eager to meet with Radhaji. No, Krishna was so much eager to meet with Radhaji. But there was a desire of Yogmaya. Radhaji didn't came out from the Javat, Jatila Kutila. She didn't allow Radhaji to came out from his house. Now Krishna is thinking how he can meet with Radhaji. He tried so much effort. So what happened at that time? Subal is looking like Radhaji. Krishna said, "Hey Subal, what should I do? I am not, the separation of Radhaji is unbearable to me." At that time Subal said, "Okay, I do something." What Subal did, he took a little calf and went to Javat, where Radhaji's home is there. So what happened? He twisted the tails of the calves so that calves enter into the home of Jatila Kutila at that time.
और उस समय जटिला कुटिला के
At that time, Jatila Kutila, they were making the cow paddies, cow dung paddies.
और उससे सुबल आकर के बोले
At the time, Subal came and said,
जटिले कुटिले
"Hey Jatile Kutile,
हमें प्यास लग रही
I am very thirsty." So that Jatila Kutile said, "Go from here. Why are you asking for water here?"
अरे नहीं देखो
So,
हमारे बछड़ा जो है
so Subal said,
हमारी अंदर में घुस
"My calves has enter your room.
मेहमान भी कुछ हाँ जी इसलिए थोड़ा ये काम कर थोड़ा पानी पिला
So do one thing, please give me some water and give some water to my calves also." Jatila Kutila said, "Now we are making the cow paddies.
ये काम
You do one thing. There is you go inside our bride room, our Putra Badhu, means the son's wife. She can give you water." So what happened? Subal went inside and he told all the story to Radhaji, that how Krishna
उनके लिए
is so much suffering in your separation. Radhaji said that how can I go? Subal said, "Do one thing."
उनकी मुख और राधा जी की मुख बिल्कुल एक है।
So the face of Subal and Radhaji's face is similar.
वो इसलिए कहती
So that's why
सुबल ने की
Subal,
जो धोती आदि जो
so whatever the cloth Subal had,
तो क्या कर दिया
what he did, he gave to Radhaji.
राधा जी के जो
And whatever the dress Radhaji had,
सुबल पहन ली
so Subal has put on that. So they have exchanged their dresses.
राधा जी के
Now Subal is staying there at the form of Radha, in the form of Radhaji, in her house.
राधा जी सुबल के लिए धारण कर
And Radhaji got the form of Subal.
एक कपड़े को तो बड़े जो है जैसे बाल जो देखो
Just like a turban, she put a turban there,
ऊपर लगा दी
and on her head, and she covered her hair very nicely.
जिन्हें ऊपर के बाल से धर दिए है और अच्छी तरह से है धोती के कस
And she put on the,
प्रोफेसर भी कहता है
but now what to do about the breast?
है ना ये
So there was a calf over there. So what happened? She put the calves on her lap, like, and she started moving from there. So what happened?
तो राधा जी सुबल कहने
So Radha,
हाँ भैया तेरे बहुत अच्छा है
so in the form of Subal, Radha said, "Oh, your bridegroom, your Putra Badhu is very nice. The lady inside the room is very nice. So she is very merciful. She gave me water and everything." So she said, "Okay, now go. You have taken. Now you go." So Radhaji took the calf and she started moving very fastly. And when Krishna saw from so far that Subal is coming, Radhaji is not there. Subal is coming carrying a calf. So at that time,
सुबल राधा जी सुबल
so Subal in the form of Radha,
विनाश कर देता
no, Radha in the form of Subal, so they were laughing, joking each other.
हे कृष्ण आज
So Subal said, "Hey Krishna, Radhaji haven't come today."
राधा जी आज निकल नहीं क्या करें
Radhaji was not able to came out from there.
तो कृष्ण रोने लगे कहने लगे सुबल
Krishna started weeping and said,
राधा जी भी नहीं मिले
"Hey Subal,
मैं क्या करूं?
if Radhaji won't come here, then I will die here. I will drown myself into the Radha Kund. I will jump into the Radha Kund." So at that time,
सखा आप इतने क्यों
the Subal in the form of Radha, "Why are you so much suffering? Do one thing.
है निकट में चंद्रावली के गांव है
There is a near Chandravali's village is there.
बुला करके मेला
I am going to call Chandravali here,
चंद्रावली से तुम मिलो
so you can meet with Chandravali today."
कृष्ण कहने लगे
Krishna said,
दूध पीने से जो स्वाद मिलता है
"So whatever the taste comes after drinking milk,
दूध पीने से जो स्वाद मिलता है क्या वो मट्ठा पीने से
so
वो
if
स्वाद
you take
मिलेगा
the
क्या?
buttermilk, so you will get the same taste? No,
मट्ठा के साथ क्या होता है
because that buttermilk is little bit sour and milk is little bit sweet.
अब दूध कितना स्वादिष्ट
Doodh is very tasty, the milk is very tasty, and the buttermilk is very sour.
और चंद्रावली
And Radhaji is here is like a milk, and Chandravali is just like a buttermilk.
राधा जी भी आज ना मिले
So if Radhaji won't come here, then I will jump into Radha Kund and sacrifice my life. So seeing this kinds of feelings of Krishna, then Radha ji, she took the dress from the trees. She take off the cow from her left and gave the introduction that I am not Subal, I am Shrimati Radhika. In this way, Radha and Krishna met each other. So from morning to till evening, 4 p.m. they meet each other. Very nice. So many kinds of leela they did. After 4 p.m. Krishna has to go Nandagaon and Radhaji has to go Jawat. Now it's too, it's too hard. What to do now? The soul is thinking, what to do now? So according to the Bhagwan, Yogmaya performs and Leela, arranges all kinds of Leelas. Then Radhaji came to the Jawat. They said to Jatila, some ladies Tunga Lata, and they said to Jatile Kutele, we are going for filling up water from Yamuna. Your lady from the house Radhaji is also saying there is no water in the house, so she can come with us. Jatila Kutela said okay, because Kundalata, there was a lady. She the Kundalata, Jatila Kutila has so much trust on Kundalata. So at the time, Subal, who was in the form of Radha, Subal was there. Subal was there in the form of Radha. So he took the picture and he started moving with Tungalata, and they went to Yamuna bank. Radhakund. They came to Radhakund and they gave the picture to Radhaji, and they have exchanged their dress there. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Then Radhaji took the picture and she with her Sakhi, she went to Jawat, and Subal he went to Nandagaon with Krishna. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. So in this way, Subal and other Priya Namsaka, Subal, Shridharma, Madhumangal. So Madhumangal doesn't have this any kinds of special leela, but Subal and Shridham, they have done little bit special activity for meeting Radha Krishna. Subal and Shridham, they help a lot. So there are many kinds of leelas. According to the time, I will tell you. So in this way, this leela is called Subal Milan Leela. So how Subal helped to meet Radha and Krishna. So that's why he is called Priya Narmasaka. Sakha Nitya Sakha, Prana Sakha, Aprishta Sakha, Prana Prishta Sakha. 4 times or 5 times? 5? Sakha Narmasaka, Sakha, Priya Sakha, Narmasaka, Prana Sakha. 4. So what's my mean to say here? So Leela Shakti, who are the worshipper of Dasya, Vasalya and Sakhya, so they got the male body, and who are the servant of Madhurya, they got the Gopi body. So here what is saying, in one words he has mentioned Tadat or Mayatma Bhaktya Shakalpati Vay. Bhagwan, what is Bhagwan saying in this shloka? Hey Uddhav, who is totally surrendered into my lotus feet. So what I will do with him? I will destroy his all kinds of anartha. So I will provide him the body which is favorable for my service. Because for serving Bhagwan you must have that kinds of favorable body according to his Leela. So now in his explanation, सर्वकर्म त्याजिया मोरे आत्म निवेदिया यही करे अमार सेवन अमृत्यु धर्म पाना लीला मध्य प्रवेशिया अम सह करिया रमन।
भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने अपने प्रिय उद्धव के निकट संबंध वैद्य तथा प्रयोजन सूत्र के वर्णन के पश्चात
So having explained संबंध तत्व,
शांतिक रूप में श्री कृष्ण
अविधेय तत्व and the प्रयोजन तत्व,
का वर्णन कर रहे हैं।
like supreme goal to his dear devotees Uddhav, Bhagwan Shri Krishna described the situation of a pure devotee who is exclusively surrendered into him. As a mortal living entities wanders throughout his material existence, he attains the association of Shri Krishna's eternal associates according to the extent of his sukriti. So what is the shloka is there? Shloka is there. Anya avilashita shunyam jnana karma avanthal jnana bhakti uttama. You know the shloka? Anya avilashita shunyam. बहुत अच्छा, very good.
इसलिए कहते हैं
So that's why it is saying,
शुद्ध भक्त की संगत प्रभाव
so by the effect of pure devotees, association of pure devotees and hearing the katha and other things,
नैमित्तिक तथा भोग मोक्ष की आकांक्षा को त्याग कर
nitya naimittik and all kinds of bhog desire abandon,
अनुकूलमय
so one get the Krishna anukulamai cheshta.
अंधकार का और तमो का नाश हो जाता है।
The darkness of his ignorance is removed by the light of bhakti, just as darkness is removed by the sunshine.
मोह तो तमो दूर हो जाता है। भक्त की ममतामय सेवा करता है। भगवान भी
The devotee then serves the Supreme Lord with a full sense of possessiveness, mamta, towards him, and Shri Bhagwan bestows upon that devotee a spiritual body appropriate for the rendering eternal service to him. That means he bestows a body, qualities, activities, service, and so on, according to the particular mood of the sadhak.
भक्त कृपा से शिक्षा अवस्था प्राप्त करते हैं। शुद्ध भक्त के संग में
So, by the association of the pure devotees and hearing the Hari Katha,
घर में पहले क्या होता है कि
so what happened? They get a greed, little bit greed in his heart. Have you eaten pickles? Which kind of pickle you have eaten?
सारे
बहुत सारे. I have eaten many kinds of pickle. Have you eaten mango pickle? Yes, I have eaten. Nibu achar, lemon. Okay, remember about the lemon pickle. Nibu is very tasty, very sour, little bit khatta mitha. So when you remember about the lemon pickle, so there will water come into your mouth, because have you made? So mother makes the नींबू pickles. अभी तो मदर बता सकती हैं, बैठी हैं मदर बता सकती हैं, वो बैठी हैं. General form I'm telling you, just you wash lemons and put some salt there, cut and put some salt and put that lemons into the sunshine. So after 2-3 days you will see, so the peels of that lemon will be so much dissolved. So and whatever the spices you would like to use, you can. So but if you remember, then you will feel, beautiful pickle is that, very tasty, like this. Maybe when you think about the rasgulla, remember about the rasgulla, maybe you won't get this kinds of feeling, but when you think about the lemon pickle, so you will get, the water will come in your mouth. So means when you remember these kinds of things and remember this kinds of leela or hearing the Hari Katha, you will get greed in your heart. And by the association of great devotees, good devotees or pure devotees, or hearing the Hari Katha by that pure devotees, So getting that kinds of association, getting that kinds of Bhagwan's service, you will get a greed in your heart, and by that greed you will get that body, that bhav.
क्रियाकांड तो भी न होती तत्रापि तत्रापि मृत्यु न अनेक जन्म के सुकृति के तरह जो मृत्यु प्राप्त
After so many efforts and sukriti, the things you cannot get, but by the love, by the greed, you can get that. So this is Katha is describing here.
साधकगण सजातीय अतिरिक्त आश्रय
So as a result of associating with the devotees who are the same mood and affectionately disposed towards oneself, the sadhak who is endowed with the Madhurya Rati attains a desire in his heart to render service in amorous mellow. And by the practicing bhakti and by the mercy of devotees, he reaches the stage of perfection. Such a devotee performs his sadhan internally under the guidance of Lalita and other Sakhis, and by their mercy he attains the form like that a Nitya Siddha Manjari, and he experiences the pleasure of directly rendering intimate service to the divine couple of Sri Radha Krishna in the Braj Dham. This constitutes the attainment of Swarup Siddhi, after which the living entity achieves Vastu Siddhi and for eternity serves Sri Radha in the eternal land of Vrindavan. Such service is only attained by the Sakhyas in Madhurya Rati, not by others. So after hearing this kinds of katha, you will get a feeling in your heart, you will get a greed in your heart first. After performing the Nam and remembering them, just like Jad Bharat Maharaj. Bharat Maharaj, he got the deer body after remembering and so much affection, being so much affectionate towards that deer. And when that deer he was remembering about his pastime, so he becomes a Jad Bharat. So this is happening. Everything is depend on remembrance. And have you heard the Puranjan and Puranjani Upakhyan? Puranjan was a male and Puranjani was a lady. Puranjan was thinking so much about the ladies and he become ladies in his next birth. In the same way, so when you hear the Leela Katha of this kinds of parikar, and if you would like to get the bhav bhakti, so when you remember about them, so you will get that kinds of body. Why it is said? First he said, because there is a Swarup, you have the Swarup in your soul. So what is the meaning? Why he is saying like this? Why it is saying? Because the transcendental things cannot be compared with the example of the transcendent material things. So it is just like one part. We are giving the example. We are giving the example, but actually it is not matches. The Leela is different. Chandrama is so far, like just like the moon is so far. If a little child says, "Where is the moon?" So mother will say, "There is a forest and there is a mango tree, and behind the mango tree there is moon." Is that moon is there? That moon is so far kilometer. But still, for making the child understand that mother is giving that kinds of example, that the moon is behind that mango tree. This is called Shakha Chandra Nyay. In the same way, there are many kinds of examples given in the scriptures. These all examples are Shakha Chandra. Swaruptaha, I told you that the moon is so much far, thousand kilometers.
आत्मा की स्वरूप
So in the same way, what is the Swarup of Atma?
इसलिए हमारे भक्ति में और
That's why our Bhakti Vinod Thakur describing in Jav Dharma,
ठीक तत्वशक्ति से निकल
when Jeev comes out from the Tata Shakti, when he came out from the Tatastha Shakti,
जिसके अंदर है
so the pure soul,
क्या रहता है
अपना स्वरूप,
वह एक पोटेंशियल रूप में
so he has a Swarup in a potency form which is invisible. We cannot see that.
जैसे एक सोचू के बीज
Just like a mustard seeds,
उसमें काला
you have seen the mustard seeds.
देखो उसके यदि काटो
If you cut that, if you divided that into two parts, so you cannot see there anything.
किंतु देखो उसकी सोचू के बीच में
But
क्या है
everything is inside there in mustard seed. There is tree, there is leaves, there is branches, everything is there. When you put that seeds into the water, it will grow up, it will become a little tree, and then you will put into the earth, then it will become a big tree. So after some times it will become a big tree. In the same way, it is said,
आत्मा जब तत्व
when Atma came out from the Tatastha Shakti, so it has the potency, it has its form in a form of potency there.
संग आदि के
So by hearing Hari Katha and performing bhajan and sadhan, and by the mercy of Bhagwan or by the mercy of Bhakta,
वो जो पोटेंशियल
so whatever the potency he has, it becomes so nourished and he get that full Swarupa. Just like you put water and taking care of that seed, so it becomes a beautiful tree, it got the form of trees. In the same way, Jeev, he has a potency, and by the effect of satsang, so that and by the mercy of Bhagwan and Bhakt, so whatever the potency he has inside there, so that will get, so according to that he will get the body.
जितना भी कथा सुनाए
And whatever the katha here it is told, this is just like Shakha Chandra Nyaya. It is just like giving the example of Shakha Chandra Nyaya. Because we cannot compare the transcendental thing. How we will explain this? So we should give these kinds of material examples. If you read the Jav Dharma, so Babaji Maharaj, he is giving this kinds of example. And after chanting the holy name, you will understand all the things. It is not able to explain by the words or examples.
वो नाम करते करते
So while performing the Naam, and you will realize yourself, so which is called Anubhav Vedanyaya. You will realize that.
बोलने से नहीं होगा
It is not possible to say only.
नाम करते करते क्या
When you chant the holy name, it's spontaneously manifested in your heart. That's why whatever it is said here, after the Swarup Siddhi, Vastu Siddhi, and after getting the Vastu Siddhi, the Jeev will get the eternal service in the Vraj Dham of Shri Radha Krishna.
अन्य किसी को प्राप्त नहीं है आपके पास इसे कहा जाता है नित्य सिद्ध कृष्ण प्रेम
साध्य कबु नाय श्रवणादि करई उदय.
मतलब क्या
Uday means
सूर्य है
there is sun is there, it is rising up.
सूर्य नित्य वर्तमान है
Suraj, the sun is eternal, it is every time is there, but sometimes what we see by our eyes, it is setting down, it sets and it rise. So that's why we here call day and night. But sun is always there, it is never sets or never rise. There is no rise and no sets of sun. Sun is always there. So in the same way, so Jeeva have his Nitya Swarup. He have Nitya Swarup in a potency form. That's why it is said Jeevere Swarupa Bhai Krishna Nitya Das. So what is the Swarup? What is the Swarup of Jeeva? He is the eternal servant of Krishna. Das matlab. What is the meaning of Das? What is the duty of the Das? Das means that he has to serve his Swami and Swami. In the same way, Jeev has the tendency of service in his potency. Just like if someone is serving in somebody's house,
आदेश पालन
So he has to follow the instruction of the two members of the house.
घर के मालिक और मालिकन।
First is Malik and
जो
Malkin.
व्यक्ति जो होता है
So-
वो मालिक के अपेक्षा मालिकन
So who is
जो
the
है,
clever person? He will obey his master rather than his master. He will obey his masterny, means the wife of master.
बोलता है मालिकानी वो पसंद है।
Because sometimes whatever the master says, the wife of master is not satisfied with that. But whatever the wife of master will say, so master has to satisfy it. So that's why a servant who is a clever servant, he should always follow the obey order of the wife of the master, because she is the lady,
जो है मालिक के भी वो मालिक बनता
because she is the topmost there.
है। पर क्या है?
So what is the meaning?
कृष्ण अनुगत अपेक्षा
Under the guidance of Krishna, you should take the shelter of Shrimati Radhika Rani. Wow, Hari Bol.
राधारानी जो है कृष्ण के वो क्या करते हैं?
Because Radharani is dancing, making dance Krishna on her finger.
कृष्ण राधा को
Krishna cannot make the dance Radhaji, but Radhaji can make the dance to Krishna.
का अनुगत करना
So that's why who is the clever person, they take the shelter of Shrimati Radhika Rani.
इसलिए राधा अनुगत
That's why always take the acceptance and take the guidance of Shrimati Radhika Rani. So what Gaudiya Vaishnava wants? They want the shelter of Shrimati Radhika Rani. They want the guidance of Radhika Rani. They didn't want the shelter of Shri Krishna. They want the shelter of Radhika Rani. So they would like to serve Shri Krishna under the guidance of Shrimati Radhika Rani. Just like the Das Jiva Sarupa Krishna Nitya Das. So what is the meaning of Das here? Das means service. Because Jeev has a tendency of service in his Swarup. We have seen that everybody is surfing in this word. Mami Vansho Jeev Loke Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. What is the dharma of Jiva? Jiva dharma is service.
गृहस्थ के धर्म क्या है? गृहस्थ के सेवा।
Because the person who is in a minute form, he has to serve
गृहस्थ के
the
धर्म क्या है?
Anutva. Anutva means Anu, very, very little form, and he has to serve the Brat form, is Bhagwan. So Anut form is here Jeev and Brat form is Bhagwan. So Jeev is Swarup to serve Bhagwan, Krishna.
राजाओं के कर्तव्य क्या है? राजा की सेवा करना। हरि शरण।
Just like what is the duty of the Praja, the people, they have to obey their king, and if they are not following the instruction of the king, so they has to be punished.
राजा के आदेश को अवमानना
If someone is avoiding the instruction and order of king, so they will be punished, saja. So it is, they are given, the king will give them the Rajdanda.
प्रजाओं के कर्तव्य क्या है?
That's why what is the duty of the Praja, the people, the subject, that they has to follow the instruction and order of king, because king is topmost. So that's why the Jeev is so much Anutva in a very minute form. So what is his duty? To serve Brad. Brad means Bhagwan. So this all kinds of vichar is showed by our Jeev Goswami Pad. When you won't serve the king, so he will punish you. In the same way, if the Jeev will not serve Krishna, so he will be punished by Maya. Hari Bol.
और ब्रज में राजा कौन है?
King Krishna.
हाँ?
Who is the king? Oh my God. Who is the king of Braj? Shrimati Radhika Rani. Ras Raseshwari, Maharani, Rajeshwari. Who is the king of Braj? Radharani. That's why under the guidance of Radharani, you should serve Krishna.
कम बुद्धिमान है।
Who is the
कृष्ण के अनुगत
so the who is the less minded, they will get the association of Krishna, but who is the higher, who is the so much wise, they will take the shelter of Radhika Rani.
इसलिए कहा जाता है साधन के अनुगत निवाई परम उपादेय। उपादेय समझ?
So the topmost service of service is taking the shelter of Shrimati Radhika Rani.
सेवा करते हो?
You are serving at home. What are you serving there?
करते हो ना? अरे प्रसाद खाते कि नहीं खाते?
Are you taking prasad? It's prasad seva. Is also prasad seva.
प्रसाद कौन बनाते हैं?
Who is
बनाते कि मम्मी बनाते?
who is serving prasad? Mummy is making prasad there.
दोनों एक साथ में एक खुद के लिए करते हैं। कभी पापा बना लिया, कभी मम्मी बना लिया। चाहे तो मम्मी बनाती है, हैं?
ब्रज के राजा श्रीमती राधिका रानी. That's why you go to Barsana temple. So it is what is written there. Ladli Maharaj ki jai. There is not written Ladli Maharani. Okay, so she is not queen, she is the king of Braj. So who is the king of Braj? Shrimati Radhika Thakurani. Hari Bol.
आप खाना कैसे बंद करने हाँ? अच्छा है कि नहीं है हाँ? प्रसाद सेवन नहीं ये सेवा है ना प्रसाद सेवन
So taking prasad is also a seva.
खाना नहीं है क्या करना है
You shouldn't eat the prasad. You should serve the prasad.
प्रसाद सेवा करिते हैं
प्रसाद सेवा करते है कृपा कृपा कृष्ण कृपा शुद्ध भक्त चरण रेण भजन अनुकूला.
प्रसाद सेवा करिते हैं सकल प्रपंच हाँ प्रसाद ग्रहण करने से आप माया को जय करते हैं
So when you are taking the Mahaprasad, so you can victor the Maya. You can. So who is preparing the prasad? Mummy is preparing the prasad. So that's why under the guidance of Mummy, you serve the prasad. Bola Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai.
है कि नहीं है हाँ 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 ये ठाकुर जी की सुनाती
So this boy is sleeping the Thakurji. Very nice, very good. अच्छा बच्चा है.
अब याद है भजन निष्ठा
So now we are talking about the Bhajan Nishtha. Manashikha Shlok is there. Na dharmam na dharmam shruti kana nikurdan kila guru braja radha krishna brahma sachi sunandana. Text number 3 now we are going to describe. Text number 3 of Bhajan Rasya. So this is the Shlok of Manashiksha. Steadiness in Bhajan as described in Shri Manashiksha 2. What is the first Shlok of Manashiksha? Guru Goshte, like this. Very nice. So there is a second Shlok of Manashiksha. Na dharmam Shruti Gana Nikrutta Kilakaru Braje Radha Krishna Prachara Particharya Inatanu Sachi Sunu Nivrisapati Stave Guru Varanam Mukunda Prishtava Smara Param Ajaswaram Nanu Nana. So we will describe the Shlok tomorrow. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. This Shlok is very nice. That after performing the Sajan Bhajan, that how Sadhak will get the progress in his bhajan man. How many rounds you are chanting? 32. How you are chanting? Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare, or you are chanting Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Hare Ram. So this is a nice boy. He has very nice impression of last birth. YouTube. Chanting the 32 rounds. It means he is very nice boy, and he is learning the shlokas. Very good, very good. Shabash. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. He was Vaishnav in his last birth. और गुरुदेव इस सेवा के लिए भी बड़ा ईगर रहता है, आता है बार बार मुझे कुछ सेवा दे दो, कुछ सेवा करवा दो. Very nice. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Give him mala. He is a very nice boy. I would like to show that boy. Oh chacha, bhaiya. This boy. We are talking about this boy. Oh, photo खींचना एक photo. भैया इधर देख. Camera.